And it's me, Mom, or you can call me Karen, doesn't matter. And we just finished up Christmas. This is really great time in our house because we have both of our sons home and we have the time to make some videos. One of the things I like to do is shrimp. Now, I do have a son with a shrimp allergy. He is at work right now, so he's not missing out. If you have a shrimp allergy, please don't make this. This is something I bought. It was on sale at my local grocery store. And it is, let's see, it is this brand. I got it out of the freezer by the seafood counter. Now, about 3 pieces is 32 carbs, but it comes with sauce. So if you want the sauce, that bumps up those 3 pieces to 78 carbs. So you gotta kind of question, is it worth it to have it with the sauce or not? There are different ways you could cook this. You can pan fry it, deep fry it, or use the conventional oven, or the air fryer. And yeah, this is red. This isn't the blue-green one that we usually use. I have 2 sons, so the other son brought this home. It is the same brand. It is Elite Gourmet, and it works just like the other one. So we're going to use that today. Air fryer. Instructions to air fry. 400 degrees. Lay it in the basket in 1 layer for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay? The sauce, I would assume you put in the microwave. Place frozen unopened sauce pouch in a bowl of warm water. Oh, all right. Okay, so that's what you do with sauce. Let's open this since I've never made this before, but we love shrimp. Shrimp is high in a ton of nutrients and minerals. B12, which is where you get your protein from, zinc, copper, selenium, omega-3 fatty acids, which is the healthy fat. All right, so when we open this up, okay, here's our shrimp. This says, oh, mango chutney. I didn't even know what the sauce was. So we'll see if it's worth it. And today we're having this for lunch, so I'm going to pair it with one of these salads. Now, it says it comes with chicken. I don't really want the chicken, but I don't know. Maybe we'll keep it. We'll see. One of these types of salads is 13 carbs, believe it or not. You are counting the dressing. I'm not sure if it comes with croutons. I can't quite tell. Definitely the dressing and the tomatoes, which really, to me, don't really matter because there's only 3 of them in the package. So, stick with us. Right, so we're preheating the air fryer, and the instructions say 400 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Well, this air fryer goes up to 390, so we'll do it for 390 for 8 to 10 minutes. And hopefully the timer will go off. Come on. There we go. There's the timer. So it's been preheated. Let's get our shrimp in. Okay. Just make sure. Yep, I did put it on 390. All right, all the way. Now, I'm not really expecting you to have shrimp at school, but hey, some people really like to do it. And a serving is about 3 shrimps, but we'll figure out the math. How many are you going to do? About 6?
I was thinking I would just say half.
Oh, half of the bag?
It looks like there's 10 in there.
10? I'd do 6, just to make the math a little easier.
I don't think I can fit 6 in there.
See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, yeah, I think you're right. I think you're right. Okay. All right, let's do it that way. And set the timer.
How long?
8 to 10 minutes. So if you want to go straight for 10 minutes, that's fine. And we'll try and check them at 8 if you want. Now, 3 of these is going to be 32 carbs. We're not going to do the mango sauce. I think it's too sweet. So, you want to do some math? If 3 of them are 32.
This is a whole container is 78, so you can just divide that by 2.
78 divided by 2? Okay, we can do it that way even though you're going to have 5. And show you the nutritional facts while this is going. Alright. Yeah, I've had this brand before in the mango sauce. It really is very sweet. So unless you have a sweet tooth, a strong sweet tooth, I recommend doing something else. Getting some sauce from like a fast food takeout is fine. You don't have to use the sauce that comes with it. Alright, so let's check back in about 8 to 10 minutes and see how it does. There we go, there's the ding. We're waiting on you. Alright, now, look at that. Got some tongs. Yep, it's definitely hot. I feel the heat coming off of it. Oh, it smells so good. Alright, and of course these are shrimp with tails on, so you have to pull the tails off. Don't eat the shrimp. They're definitely warm. Yes, they're very hot. Alright, so they're ready to eat. Good job cooking. Alright, let's get cooking. So what sauce would you choose if you didn't eat the mango sauce with this shrimp? And would you eat shrimp for a special occasion or just because? Because it's not really readily available or affordable in most parts of the world. So, till the next time, cheers. Bye.